This is Anthony Woods from International Futures Group in Chicago, a division of EFG Group, with today's market recap of February the 26th. For those of you paying attention to the currencies that thought the dollar was going to have a technical failure here, not today. Dollar's up 110. Every other major currency is down pretty big against the dollar. Dollars just continue to show strength across the board. If you're looking at the soft markets, cotton down a little bit today, pretty mixed. Coffee down another 300 points, kind of surprising. Cocoa sold off early but showed some strength, finished up 22 on the day. That's another market that I actually like getting long. I think you can get long somewhere around that 29 level if it gets back there. The meat markets were kind of like two ships that passed in the night. Cattle limit up today. Hogs down 265 as we speak. Looking at the April contracts, the difference between the two is at 83. The high for this year is 88. There's nothing really bearish cattle or nothing really all that bullish hogs at this point, but I think you can buy hogs and sell cattle somewhere around that 88 level if it gets back up there. The metals showed strength today considering that the dollar was up so big. Gold was up $6. Silver up 10 cents. And as far as the grains, grains up across the board. Corn up 4.5 cents. Wheat up 4 cents. May beans up 15 3/4. Beans, every time it looks like they're going to fail, they continue to rally back. I know there's a trucker strike in Brazil that's kind of maybe keeping the fundamentals a little bit stronger than it normally would be at this time. But one thing you might want to look at, exports today came in at 495. If my memory serves me correctly, I think that's the lowest it's been all year, under a million. I still like being short November beans around that $10 level. I also think you can possibly buy corn against November beans, but you have to go out to new crop buying December corn, selling November beans. You might even want to buy two corn against November beans if you're not one to use stops in the soybeans. This is Tony with today's recap. Have a nice evening.